Hello everyone, we can discuss about in this video. Practice is enough for speaking English language. It is true because someone wants to speak English language. So in case he don't know how to start English speaking, but in my opinions, I think in my mind practice is enough. It is true. Let's explain briefly. Suppose if you want to go your destinations, but you can't take a step. You are making only your plans, but you don't implement your plans. How can you reach your destinations? That is a critical point. If you don't take any step, if you don't move, how can you reach your plans? That is a very important point. So in case of English language, if you want to speak English language, so first of all you have to take a initial steps like a start to speak English language. Not correct, because uh, if you start English speaking, so at the times you speak wrong and right. Okay, uh, you are not only singles, everyone's who are beginners in first time, she speaks wrong and right sentences. Okay, so as like you can also start a practice. Okay, so practice is enough. There is doesn't matter grammars, vocabularies and pronunciations. If you start, then uh, these three these three elements automatics comes gradually. Okay, so this is a like key elements for speaking English language. Practice is enough, because practice can change everything. I hope you understand about this video, so please like and subscribe. We are met next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.